fuck you guys. Anyway, hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be combing my hair right now because this is the only time I will get to comb. Otherwise, I will just not comb my hair. So starting off with what is the purpose of the vlog? This vlog is that for the past one week, I have been so stressed with these postings that's been going on because the classes are from morning till somehow 1 or 2 p.m. and some days we have theory class in the afternoon as well. So somehow sitting continuously in front of the screen from 8:30 is extremely tiring. I have the postings until Monday, which means I technically have the posting today as well. And right now it's 10:05. It's probably 10:10 by the time I'm filming this. So anyway, at 10:15 I have to join the event that's going to happen, and that's going on till 2:45. I think there are a couple of breaks in between, but I have to sit in front of the screen till the afternoon. I just cannot. Anyway, I wanted to do a quick couple of things before I actually get started with the postings and classes like my usual life. So I'm just going to start off by noting things down in my different journals. If you haven't seen my previous video, Plan With Me, please go check it out. I show you guys how I plan everything. We just have some things to do and I'm just going to write it all down over here. Hey guys, so it's 11:35 right now. That event has been happening since 10:15. So the end session was like gaming session. So that was kind of fun because it went quick and we had to interact and we had to think and all that. So that was kind of fun. But I don't know, I'm really tired. I didn't want to wake up in the morning today, but because I was extremely tired for some reason. You can see it in my eyes that I'm so tired. I wanted to sleep at least till 10. My eyes are literally burning right now. So we need to join the session by 12:10 again. So I want to sleep. I think I'm just going to sleep for half an hour and then wake up and attend the session. Can you see the charge in my device? It's 22% and the time is 2:22. Wow, that was fancy. I caught it. That was fancy. 2:22 and 22% charge. Time to sleep, guys. Hi guys. I don't even comb my hair once a day. I don't know why. Today is the day I'm combing it twice. Anyway, I just want to tell you guys that I woke up by 4. I had my lunch. I drank some tea, and then now I'm going to be making cookies in some time. So before you guys ask me the recipe for these cookies, so I've been experimenting with cookies for over 6 months now because I want to start selling them at some point of time. So please don't ask me for the recipe, but a very close recipe whom I used to start, like when I started making cookies, I used to follow Sivesh's recipe, hands down best recipe, very foolproof, and so you can try that out. Any of his cookie recipes work amazing, so please don't ask me for my cookie recipe, guys. But if I ever put like if I ever start selling cookies, then please make sure to buy from me. So anyway, let's go make some cookies.